caught in there, can't get out. Look at that. See if you're gonna figure it out. No. 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 I guess you won't let me out. So you gonna eat the flower? Is that what you thinking? The great puppy escape. Look at you. You got it now. How you get out? Just walk around the gate. Is all you gotta do. Look at that. Walk around that. No. Walk around. Or go over it. But you ain't big enough. Come on. If you come around here, you can get out. Come on. Come on. Milo. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. You're almost there. Yeah. Get your big butt through there. It's the collar. Well, try to help you out. You gonna have to figure that out. You gotta be a smarter dog than that. That collar. Come on. A bit more. There you go. You got out. Now you want to eat on my leg. Ain't that something you gonna bite me? You don't supposed to bite the hand that feeds you. Or the leg either. Look at it. Look.